What is up, guys? Today we will have unboxing and brief review of the mini 3D hologram fan, which costs only around $16. I got it on sales from Aliexpress. Actually the regular price is 20 bucks, so I got it really cheap and a nice price. So here you have the HD Hologram Projector, 12 centimeters, actually quite tiny and small. And let's check it out, what we have inside, how it looks like and what it will offer to you. As you see, energy index is really low. J is 14 kilowatt for 1000 hours here, so actually it's not that energy efficient, but at least fun for winter. You have built-in Bluetooth speaker here, DIY in various application scenarios. Here you have the TF card, storage methods, a remote control, input 5 volts on power, so you can power it from your power bank. Customized photos and videos and audios, all should be here. Alright, let's open it up. So first some brief introduction, what we've got here. So here you see the size, it's actually 12 on top, 10.4 centimeters high, and actually 8.8 centimeters. It's a hologram itself, so you have the remote control here, power cord, acrylic base, although you've got all these remote control features, PC video upload, and also instruction how to upload the video. Actually, I will do it in a separate video, so it's just some brief manual. Okay, also we have the thing itself. Let's open everything up. So this is stand, even card reader included, remote control included. Okay, so this we don't need anymore. Let's put all the things aside and let's check out what we have. So it's actually quite tiny. As you see, it's fit my hand, quite small. And actually, in order to power it on, power off, you need to dismantle the thing here. It's 2 screws, so you can also put it on your tripod, which is also quite nice to handle it like this. Okay, let's put the stand. Okay, so how to connect the stand? From this side, I guess. Alright, so I found out like this. Need to check some picture how it should stand. So actually stand like this. Alright, like that. Okay, actually you can open it up here even. No need to dismantle, so you can see how it works, how it looks like. So there is an engine installed and some LED light here. So let's close it up again. Also USB, actually quality is not bad, as you see here, it's quite thin. Also the remote control, let's check. We even have the battery, I guess, but I think no, because it's not allowed to ship it. Let's check it out. Okay, there is a battery, so seems that's allowed to ship it. Lithium battery. Okay, so such remote control. You can turn it on, turn it off. Okay, let's connect it. So I've got nearby the fast charger, let's call it. So let's connect it somewhere here. Okay, it's already working. It's a even speaker included. The quality of speaker is really shitty, but why it's like this? Okay, looks nice. Wait, let's mute it for now. Put on pause. It's working well, actually pretty well for this quality, and it looks nice. I guess for some kids it's nice entertainment here. Let's lay it like this without the stand so you can see it clearly. So the stand actually should be this way. And let's turn on the music. So you see brightness, you can decrease, it's a minimum one, you can increase, it's a maximum one. Actually looks nice. As you see, you can touch it, some 3D sound. Sound is not that well. I don't know whether you hear it, it's really awful. Yeah, I will disable better sound, it's really awful here. It's actually a bit vibrating, but looks quite nice as you see for this tiny and small thing. Let's check what they have here. By default, so you have this jellyfish, you have this house. So as you see from the side, or actually it's even, no, it's not visible from this side. From some angles you can see it. Also jellyfish, this is some DJ set or what, butterfly, snowman, nice. McDonald's Happy Meal, some Japanese thing, I don't know what this is. Also some, I don't know, some mouse, I guess, snowman, and Santa Claus. Again Santa Claus, so it's countdown. Actually quite nice to have it. You can also handle, I guess, using this thing, you can handle it somehow to your wall. And actually for this price it looks nice. Only I don't like the speaker, I guess. If you have a possibility to connect another one, it will be nice, but this sound you hear, it's really awful. They can make it better, I guess, especially for sound. Also using the manual how to upload, so you can install the micro SD somehow here. I don't know where. Or maybe you just connect it, let's check it out. But why they give this connectors and micro SD reader? So you select the file, select export to the machine card. So actually I'm not sure whether you can do it from your phone, but definitely you can do it from your PC. Okay, let's try to find out where is the SIM card, where is the micro SD. Actually, let's stop first. I disconnected from power. Let's open it up. Okay, I found it was pretty easy. Actually, it's quite warm a bit. So here you have this card here pre-installed. No name card. Maybe it's written something on this. How many gig it has, made in China. Okay, I have no idea how many gigs, but there is a SIM micro SD card, which is actually quite easy to install it and remove it. So it's already nice to have it pre-installed. And so actually it's here. Then in the next video, I guess I will show you more how to set it up perfectly, how to add your custom like photos, videos, or 3D animation here. And in general, for $15–16, it's really worth it. It's really nice thing to entertain your kid. You can set it up like this, you can set it up to a wall or any other mount is available as well. So you have actually quite well organized package included. You have a remote control, you have instruction, you have even the card reader. So definitely this thing worth to buy for this price, for kid entertainment, for your small business where you can indicate some information on it. If you need bigger, of course you pay more, you buy bigger. This is just a small one for home use or just for fun.